Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make puffed rice balls or Pori Urundai. This is a very easy and delicious snack recipe. This is very healthy as this sweet is made using jaggery. This Pori Urundai is an instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan, into this add 2 cups of puffed rice. Try roast for 5 minutes in low flame until the puffed rice or pori turns nice and crispy. It's been 5 minutes now and the puffed rice is nice and crispy, so off the flame and transfer the pori to another bowl. To the same pan add a teaspoon of ghee. Allow the ghee to melt completely. Once the ghee melts completely, add half cup of powdered jaggery. Mix continuously in medium flame until the jaggery completely melts. After 2 minutes, the jaggery has started to melt. Continue to mix for another minute. Now the jaggery has melted and it's nicely bubbling. Let's check if the jaggery is in perfect consistency. Drop in a drop of the jaggery mixture to a small bowl of water and the jaggery should form a ball like this. Now we have the perfect consistency, so off the flame. Now go ahead and add the roasted puffed rice and mix it well. Mix well for 2 minutes and then let this rest for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, grease your hands with ghee or oil and pull out a small portion and make smooth ball out of it. The puffed rice mixture will be very hot, so be very careful. Now a delicious Pori Urundai is ready. You can enjoy this right away with your family and friends. You can store it in an airtight container and enjoy for a week's time. Very easy, healthy and a delicious recipe. So do try this Pori Urundai recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.